today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Cabin crew, prepare doors for departure and cross-check.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen to instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Magsasaya tayo. Halika na, tara na, limutin ang lungkot sa'yo.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seat belts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me. Travel with me, where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me. Sipping coffee in small cafes, writing postcards along the way, singing songs under neon skies, painting the world with you and I. That's alright. We'll find the magic every night, every laugh, every leap, a memory we'll always keep. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze.
Gear down.
Come on, travel with me. Travel with me, where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me. Underneath 1,000 skies, we'll leave the past and say goodbye. Every sunset in your eyes feels like home, feels so right. Travel with me, oh travel with me, over the seas, wild and free. Come on, travel with me. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, building a life with every heartbeat. Come on, travel with me. Travel with me through endless dreams, over the oceans, under the beams, laughing forever in endless dreams. Come on, travel with me.
500, 400, 100 above, 300, minimum, 200, 100, 70, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.
Flats.